How to set price alert on Bitrue. Are you guys facing issue to set a price alert on Bitrue application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To set a price alert, first of all, open the Bitrue app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the home screen where you can see this option for trading or market. Tap on trading. As soon as you click on it, now click on this candlestick icon to extend the chart. Once you click on it, you will be able to see this option for alert at the left bottom of your screen. Just simply tap on alert. Now just simply select the option according to your price or your trading strategy. Now enter the value. Once you enter the value, tap on create alert. Once you click on create alert, your alert will be set, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna set alert on Bitrue application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.